CuriousBeast.
Hey guys, CuriousBeast here. We have arrived at our destination, which is Hutan Lipa, Sungai Tua. But sadly, the place is closed. And there seem to be 2 people that died here, which I assume is an accident. I've never explored this place. I really want to know what's in there. We will go to our next place, which is known as Sungai Tua. It is around 10 to 20 minutes of drive from here to our next place. And then on the way we might as well get some breakfast. Yeah.
I'm starving.
Now that I have finished my breakfast, and I will proceed to the next place. Camera roll, action! So, CuriousBeast, what are you doing? Are you contributing to the nature? Yeah. Hey guys, so we have arrived at the place and we'll pack our stuff and then we'll get going later on. By the way, the location of the place will be shown in the description, so do check it out. We have arrived at the place. It is one of the waterfalls. It's just beside the highway, and then it's very beautiful. You can see everybody chilling there, enjoying their foods and drinks. And also the atmosphere is very nice. I can't wait to go down and see it. So we begin our journey here, and as you can see from the board, we are roughly around 200 meters to our destination, and so let's get going. As we are about to begin our journey, we saw the yellow tips around on the trees and on the stairs, and so I think there might be a few incidents here, and I think I'm a bit curious about it, and let's go. As a photographer, we need to take the extra miles to do it, to get the perfect shot. Hi guys, now we are going to toast our bread. Just toasted it. And then we are going to apply peanut butter on it. A simple and delicious lunch. It may not be much, but it's very delicious. I've always liked the peanut butters on the breads, and doing it here is another feeling. It feels at home at the same time, not at home. Gotta continue. is one hell of a beautiful beast. Woo! Hey guys, so we just finished our lunch in Selangor and it was not so great, but anyway, the trip was fun. And first when we arrived the place, we explored around it, and man, it was devastating. When we go inside the jungle, there was a lot of leeches. Like for every step we take, there will be a leech splash on you. And then, in just 30 minutes of exploration, me and my mates discovered more than 10 leeches on our shoes, feet. Oh my goodness. Anyway, after work we back to the waterfalls, and we have a very great time. We had our breakfast there and it was very nice. The toasted breads and in the jungle, kind of a wow experience. Then have a bit of fun in the waters, showers. The waters were really cold for my mates, but for me it was good. When the water temperature is just right, I love it. And then have a bit of martial arts on the falls. Great time! Anyway, thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe and test the Facebook page. Comment down below if you have suggestions for us for future video. Thank you for watching.